Hello. In this video, we will learn about query ambiguity. Query ambiguity is basically a phenomenon where a user searches for a specific search query, and that query is such that it can be interpreted in multiple ways due to its inherent vagueness or multiple meanings. Ambiguity is a major challenge for search engines because the search engine does not understand the user's exact intent. If a person searches for jaguar, the search engine will not understand whether they want to see the animal jaguar or the jaguar car. In this way, there are various types of query ambiguity. First is lexical ambiguity. This is the ambiguity where a word or phrase has multiple meanings. For example, apples can refer to the fruit or the technology company. And next comes synthetic ambiguity. This is based on the query structure where the arrangement of words can be interpreted in different ways. For example, flying planes can be dangerous. Now, this can have multiple meanings. One meaning could be that flying the planes is a dangerous task. Another is that the planes currently flying in the air pose a danger. Thus, it can have multiple meanings. After that comes semantic ambiguity. These are queries that are vague and lack specific details, making the intent unclear. If a person searches for bank, the search engine won't understand whether they want information about a financial bank or if they are looking for the shore bank of a river or sea, or perhaps another type of bank, like a blood bank. Challenges and approaches. First, diversification. How does the search engine handle such queries? First is diverse search results. The search engine looks at what the dominant search intent is, what kind of websites people visit most often when they search, and displays that at the top. However, it also shows other websites. For example, if you search for Apple on the web section, the Apple website will appear. If you search in the images section, more pictures of the fruit will appear. This is how Google diversifies the results. Now, Jaguar might show the animal in images, the car brand in the web results, and perhaps a sports team in the news section. Next, the search engine also looks at user behavior, like click-through data, so it can see what the intent of most people who search that query is. Based on how users click the results, the search engine prefers that type of search result. There are query disambiguation techniques. First is clarifying questions. Sometimes when we search for a word that is new to Google or misspelled, alternatives appear below. Following that are alternative queries. You must have seen alternative queries listed at the end of the search results page. Next, enhancing result relevance. For today's users, Google is also showing AI overviews. In this way, dealing with query ambiguity is a big headache for the search engine, but it is finding solutions.